here. That's the game. It's probably going to be ending up on that green stage, whatever it's called, to the left. It's like a green hill zone. That is it. Nope, banned instantly. Rusty doesn't want to play there. No, okay, that wasn't Rusty. That was the ban from Drew, from IceCold. Probably going to battle. Yep. And Wolf versus Marth. So, I've never seen this matchup before, but if it works out like any other Marth matchup against fast fallers, he's going to do a lot of chain grabs and a lot of tech chases. And some early percent edge guards. Wesley's looking around this matchup, figuring it out. Yeah, okay, that was close. Wesley's not familiar with that side B. Wolf's not surviving that. Wolf is gonna need to look for grabs on against Wesley's Marth. No. This is an unfortunate matchup because it's similar enough to Fox that Wesley knows what he's doing. It looks like IceCold's not truly comfortable on this character. I'm not entirely sure why he brought him out instead of DDD. He might have been having more recent success with Wolf. Dash dance, neutral arm shield. That should be. Yep. Oh. Missed the chain grab. It's okay. It's a hard one at 0%. If it's even possible on Wolf. There it goes. Good tech trap. Shine. He needed to follow up on that shine. Now he's dead. No.
Storm is working. Please stop reporting results.
Nice back air. Marth first off. He's gonna. U2 needs to think about what he's gonna do with the next game. Wolf is obviously not going to be the answer to Rusty. Interesting up air control. Good DI out. Saves him from the tipper. Drew 2 looks IceCold looks unfamiliar with the combo game, Wolf's combo game. Not getting a lot of follow-ups. Resetting the neutral against Marth is not the best decision. Marth is very good in it. And that's probably Wolf's death, no. Wesley doesn't know ranges from Wolves. And forward smash, that's a death.
It is.
Okay.
That's the game.
You know, we'll see if he brings out King DDD in this next game. No? Okay, no. I'm gonna have to ban. Yep. I'm expecting a DDD matchup.
Semis or late best? I think they're best 2 out of 3.
Yeah, semis 2 out of 3. And a larger tournament would be 3 out of 5, but this had, what, 15 entrants? Wario. On Wario Rare, yes.
See if he gets the home advantage here.
Rusty's very good at maneuvering around platforms. He does not know how to play against Wario, is the only curiosity. But he also has no Wolf experience, and we saw how that ended up last game.
Yeah, he did a pretty good job.
You know. I think IceCold's just fishing for strange matchups that might upset Rusty. I do not think Wario will be the answer to this, though. IceCold. Let's see, back with stage control. IceCold needs to look around for an entry around his grabbing game. He's going to be wanting to look for more neutral airs. Well, there he goes. He knows what he's supposed to be. He's full hopping on strings. He just mistake chase. He has his part. Yep, there it goes. Misuse. He needs to have comboed that a little bit better. I don't think running A was the answer there. A side B probably would have been the best option. Or just a standard smash. Ooh, nice. Not entirely sure what that. No. Oh, he was looking for Rusty. He missed the read. The down air bounces up on contact. Unfortunately, it just kills him if it misses. Gambling was pretty much the only way for IceCold to win this. Unfortunately, he lost the gamble too. Interesting thing I didn't know about Wario is you can charge that forward throw. So you just press A and goes wah, wah. There it goes. Good part. He needs to work on this combo. I don't think he has a very strong one on these randoms he's playing with. He's good at the game, so he's good at controlling the neutral for the most part. But with no way to get the kill after he wins the neutral game, he's just gonna die.
And there's the game.
GG's. Rusty 2-0 over IceCold. He's going to fight the person who beat him.